right, so here we're back with Speaking Legal with Mr. Will Worsham.
Yep.
All right.
Still on the beach.
Yeah, you know, we got to hang out here. It's the best place we could think of to get away and be socially distanced.
Beats working.
So we're in Tahiti, right?
I guess, sure.
Yeah, somewhere.
Tickets were cheap.
Yeah. So what are we going to talk about today? I know there's, you know what, I've had a lot of questions, and I don't know, maybe this will go along with today. Landlords and tenants.
Yeah.
What if a tenant is otherwise a good tenant, but it's just struggling to figure out how to pay rent for the 1st of May, or maybe they got behind in April, and now, you know, they can't go back to work yet, but otherwise they're good people and a good tenant. So what's the law going to do? What's going on with that?
There's a couple of things that are going to come into play here. One is landlords, you can be forgiving. You can extend grace to your tenants, and if you want to reduce their rent, if you want to forbear their rent, if you want to abate their rent, you can either give them a free month, you can reduce their rent.
Tack it on to the end of the lease.
Tack it on the end. Say, hey, if your rent's $1,000 a month, don't pay it in April, don't pay it in May, but let's pay
2 months extra or something like that.
Let's pay $1,100 a month after that, just to get that going. So that's, the landlord and the tenant can make their own deal. Now the issue then comes up, well, what if the landlord doesn't want to make a deal? Well, they don't really have to make a deal. I mean, they have a contract. Nothing about this pandemic has invalidated any contracts or leases, so they can still demand their rent. They can still file an eviction proceeding. They can still go to court. They can still get a judicial order. Now, all that being said, the Supreme Court has suspended in-person hearings. And so most courts in Missouri, if not all of them, are not currently taking up eviction cases. So it's unlikely, whereas we used to, in about 28 days, we could have an order ordering someone who didn't pay their rent out. Get them out. That's really not the case right now. It just takes longer because courts aren't hearing the cases. And so any of the eviction cases that I've had pending, the judges have actually, on their own motion, extended those court dates.
So right now, that's not real good planning for a landlord to plan on trying to do that, because that ain't going to happen.
Well, the issue is, if this is ultimately going to end in an eviction, there's no reason not to go ahead and file the case and get it on file, because that's going to get you in the front of the line as far as getting your case heard.
Further up the list.
Further up the list, exactly. Now, on the tenant side, something I kind of want to caution tenants, because I can see someone thinking, hey, free rent. And that's really not true. I mean, if you don't pay your rent, ultimately they're going to be able to get a judgment against you. It's going to go on your credit history. It's going to go on your public record as an eviction. It's going to be very difficult to rent anything in the future, and you're still going to owe all of that money.
Right.
So I would caution tenants, work with your landlords. If you're a good tenant, a landlord wants to keep you.
Absolutely. And then the modification of a contract, you need to get in writing from your landlord.
Absolutely.
You both need to sign it. Is it necessary to have it witnessed, or
no, that's
just
not,
both of you sign it and date it at the adjustment?
Yeah, exactly. It's not required that it be notarized or anything like that. And that's always good practice to put it in writing, not necessarily for enforcement reasons, but just so that everybody remembers, oh yeah, that is what we agreed to.
Right. Well, that's good stuff. I think that's a lot of help. So.
Hey, and I want to remind everybody, you can find out more information at my website, willworsham.com. You can register for our online webinars there. You can click links. You can schedule Zoom meetings with me. I'm doing quarantine consulting at a reduced rate through Zoom. So all that information is on the website at willworsham.com right here.
Yeah. I'm going through a bag of cookies about every other week. So,
I'm just going to keep running that smoker.
I need some help with that.
I'm just going to keep running the smoker, man.
All right. We'll be right back.